In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a countdown timer to Webflow step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Countdown timers are perfect for product launches, limited time offers, events, or creating urgency on landing pages. And the best part is, you don't need to write any code at all. We'll be using a free and reliable widget that works seamlessly with Webflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to elfsite.com. Elfsite is a popular widget platform that lets you add advanced features to your website without coding. Once the site loads, head over to the Apps catalog. This is where you'll find all available widgets that you can integrate with Webflow and other website builders. Inside the Apps catalog, use the search bar and type in Countdown. From the search results, look for the Countdown Timer widget. Click on it to open the widget setup page. This widget gives you several design and layout options, so you can match the countdown timer perfectly with your website style. Next, you'll see multiple templates and styles available for the countdown timer. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's a simple countdown, a promotional timer, or an event-based countdown. Once you've selected your preferred design, click on Continue with this template to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the widget editor. Here you can customize everything about the countdown timer. You can set the end date and time, choose the time zone, change labels like days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and adjust colors, fonts, and layout. Take a moment to fine-tune the design so it looks great on your Webflow site. When you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Publish button. Publishing the widget generates an embed code that you'll use to add the countdown timer to your Webflow project. After publishing, you'll see an option to Copy Code. Click on Copy Code to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what allows the countdown timer to display on your Webflow site. Now, open your Webflow project in the Webflow Designer. Navigate to the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. Add an embed element from the Webflow Elements panel, paste the copied elf site code into the embed field, and save your changes. Once that's done, publish your Webflow site. After publishing, visit the live page and you should see your countdown timer working perfectly. It will automatically count down in real time based on the settings you configured in Elfsite. And that's it! You've successfully added a countdown timer to your Webflow website without writing a single line of code. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.